Here's a simple trick to merge your voice memos in just a few minutes. First, open the Voice Memos app on your iPhone. Now open All Recordings, where you'll see a list of all your recordings. From the top right corner, tap on Select. Now select the voice memos that you want to combine. Once selected, tap on the share icon in the bottom left corner. You won't see a direct option to combine them. Scroll a little on the sharing options and tap on Save to Files. This will redirect you to the Files app. Here, tap on Save in the top right corner. Now, go back to your home screen and open the App Store. Tap on the search bar and type Combine Audio Files. Hit Search. You'll see a bunch of apps that can merge audio. For this guide, let's go with Combine Audio Files. Download and install it. Once installed, open the app. On the home page, tap on Select First Audio File. It will redirect you to the Files app. You can see the previously saved recordings. Select the first file. Next, tap on Select Second Audio File, and then select the second file. Once both files are added, tap on Merge at the bottom. You'll see a confirmation message. Then tap on Save, and then select Save to Files. Tap Save again to confirm. To check your new combined recording, open the Files app. Tap on Recents at the bottom. And there it is, your merged voice memo. You can tap to play it.
Hello. Call me when you are free.